Alright, this is 19 Notes Part 2. We're moving on to the next problem here. We have a triangle right now in the middle, and the point of rotation is at -2, -2, as you can see down here at B, by that red dot. Now we gotta rotate all of these 360 degrees. So A, when you rotate something 360 degrees, it rotates on itself. So we go 360 degrees counterclockwise. A lands on A prime. C lands on C prime. And B lands on B prime. Lands right on itself. Connect them up, you got a triangle, you see that's all right on itself. So when you go through our chart, A and A prime are the same, B and B prime are the same, C and C prime. The perimeter stays the same, the area stays the same, the measure of angle B stays the same, and the slope of AC stays the same. So we went through the checklist. Alright. Here's the next one. Let's do another. Center of rotation is at 3, -1. That's what we get right there. So 3 to the right, down 1. We gotta rotate this 90 degrees clockwise. So clockwise, you know, is like this, going around that way. 90 degrees. So things that are west are going to become north, and things that are north are going to come east. So in other words, if it's left, it's going to go up, and if it's up, it's going to go right. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 to the left, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 up. So 9 to the left, 4 up is really 9 up, 4 to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the location of my C prime, because it's 9 to the left, 4 up. So I go 9 up, 4 to the right. That's a rotation of 90 degrees clockwise. Now we know C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left. So it's 5 more to the left is B, so we go 5 more up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more up. There's our B. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up from B. So that means A is 6 to the right from B. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll label these C prime, B prime, and A prime. And there's our new triangle here. You see that it's the same lengths after we rotate it 90 degrees. So in our little questionnaire that we got here, the locations of A, B, and C are all different from the original. The perimeter is the same, the area is the same, the measure of angle B is also the same. The slope of AC, well, AC is this way. Obviously that's a negative slope, and C prime, A prime is going up like that. So that's a positive slope. So negative slope and positive slope, they're different slopes. So they're not the same. Alright, let's do another. Slide it up a little bit more. There we go, so you can see the bottom. So a triangle is going to be rotated 180 degrees clockwise around the point 4, 3. So we got to plot that point 4, 3. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, 3 up. Rotates 180 degrees. So what's up is down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 up is the same thing as 6 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because it gets rotated around. So in the reverse direction is 180 degrees. B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. So we're going 5 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left. And B prime, they right on top of each other because it's rotated around that point. And we'll label them. So that's A prime. This is C prime. And this is B and B prime. We'll bring the box down. Go through our questions. The coordinate of A is not the same. B is the same because we're rotating on the B point. C is not the same. The perimeter is the same. The area is the same. The measure of angle B is the same. The slope, well, AC has that negative slope of going down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. Or simply down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then to the right, 5. From C prime to A prime, we go down 6 to the right 5. So it turns out it's the same slope. So the slope will be the same for A, C, and A prime, C prime. So that one's a little bit different. So that time the slope turns out to be the same. Just like the 360s. Alright. Let's do another. I got 3 more left here. So you see the directions on the bottom. The triangle would be rotated 270 degrees clockwise around the point -3, -1. So we plot the point -3, -1. 1, 2, 3, -1. We then rotate things around 270 degrees clockwise. So we know clockwise is this direction. And 270 degrees, it's going to wind up somewhere around here. Because you know that's like 3/4 of a turn. Well, it's 3/4 of a circle. 270. Because 360 degrees is in a circle. So down is going to be right, and left is going to be down. So if this is down 1 to the left 2, that means we got to go right 1, down 2. That's my A prime.